Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. So the Sephora sale is going on right now. You can use code SAVINGS for 15% off if you are a VIB member, or I believe it is still 20% off for Rouge. So the Sephora sale is going on right now, and I figured what better time to share one of my favorite videos that I do every single holiday season, which is gift sets under $50, and they're an additional like amount off because the Sephora sale is going on. So if you are a VIB member, you get 15%, or Rouge, you get 20% with code SAVINGS. In just a few days, you will be able to shop the sale no matter what your status is, and you will get 10% off with the same code, but I'll have all that linked in the description bar below. Regardless, the point of today's video is to share the best gift sets for you guys that are all under $50. Now, I love gift sets because they can be such a good just personal gift to give someone. As far as beauty goes, I like that they are like usually smaller sizes, because I think that's a great way for someone to try out a product before they decide if they want to buy it themselves. If you have multiple girls that you're buying for, like say you have multiple teenage daughters, or you know, your multiple daughters-in-law, you can buy these sets and then divide them up and do like gift baskets. You can do stocking stuffers, you can give them to coworkers. Such a great way to save money while still giving such a good gift. So everything I am talking about is going to be linked to the description bar below, and let's go ahead and get started. Now, I do want to start out by saying these first two that I am sharing are not, so you can buy TULA from Sephora, but they, I don't believe, are like this deal is on Sephora's website. It's actually on TULA's website, and I will put what my code is on the screen so you can still get an additional 15% off, so you don't have to buy through Sephora, but you're gonna get the same discount. And the first is this TULA So Sweet Exfoliating Facial Scrub Trio. So this is a $72 value that you are going to get for $56, plus you can use my code for 15% off. And this has three different like scents, I guess. The So Chocolate Peppermint, the So Gingerbread, and So Sugar Plum. Now these are not technically full size. They are 1.76 ounces or 50 grams, but this is still a really, really good size, and you can get all three. So I actually had an old coworker who, what she would do is she would buy stuff like this, and she's who I got the idea from. She would buy little gift sets, and then she'd make little gift baskets and give them to all of us, her coworkers, as gifts. And she said she used to like save so much money, but it was such a good idea. So you could give all three of these to one person, or you could split them up and do stocking stuffers. But regardless, really good little sugar scrub, and you are going to get a really good value for this too. TULA, the next and last TULA set that I do have are these three eye bombs. This is a $100 value that you are going to get for $60, plus my additional 15% off with my code. So this one's actually upside down. So this is three little eye bombs. You've got the Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, the 24/7 Power Swipe Hydrating Day and Night Treatment Eye Balm, and the Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm as well. These are really great because they can be used under or over makeup. I prefer to use, I have the Rose Glow one. That one's actually my favorite. I mean, I have all three clearly, but I prefer to use the Rose Glow under my makeup. And then actually, if I am going to do one over my makeup, just because I'm kind of weird about like a product touching my skin that has maybe touched my skin with makeup on it, I will use the regular Glow and Get It eye balm on top of my makeup. It's a great way to wake your eyes up. And again, this is a $100 value that you're getting for $60. So split them up, put them in some stocking stuffers, gift them for yourself. No matter what, the TULA eye bombs are so good. I feel like they're iconic. Like they call the cult classic face wash their cult classic because it has a true cult following, but I personally feel like the eye bombs are like, that's where it's at. Okay, and then the rest of these are what's actually from Sephora. So the Laneige lip mask is so incredible. I've been using it every night for 2 to 3 years. And actually, this might sound really weird. I don't think you're supposed to use it. It's not bad to use on your skin. But when I was pregnant, oddly enough, I got really dry eyelids, especially in the first trimester. I've never experienced anything like that, and nothing made it go away. So someone said try Vaseline. It worked, but I didn't love the feel of Vaseline. So I actually was using my Laneige lip mask also on my eyelids, and it helped my eyelids like get hydrated again. It was super weird. I don't think that's like what you're supposed to do, but if you do have dry eyelids, you can use your Laneige lip mask. So this is $19 for these, and you're gonna get all 5 of the minis plus, and actually I saw it earlier today, there's a little wand that comes in here. It sits up in the top, but it did kind of fall out. You are gonna get that little wand and then all of the minis for $19. The Laneige lip mask is going to last you for so long. I think I have mine, like I think it lasts for at least 3 to 6 months because the smallest amount goes such a long way. You you can use it as a lip mask, or you can use it like I do, where it's just like an overnight kind of lip treatment. I absolutely love it. I actually bought this to gift as a gift this year. I'm going to take my own advice and make little gift baskets for all the women in my life, and this is definitely going to be included. If you are going to buy a gift set, I cannot recommend this one enough. This is the Paula's Choice Do More for Your Pores kit. It is a $22 value that you're gonna get for $17. Now this teeny tiny little bottle, you probably think $17 and I'm getting this. You guys, this bottle is going to last for so long, and I actually think this is a great option if you want to try a product and not buy the full size yet. This is great for being a liquid exfoliant. It is so amazing for your skin, and I have rosacea, so my skin, y'all know, is like, it's a constant battle. I mean, every day I'm having to fight my skin, but in recent years I've started winning because I take my skincare very seriously. And don't be scared of adding in something like this. Just a tiny bit does go a long way, and that's a great way to try out a product without buying the full size. But it also comes with this youth extending daily hydrating fluid. This says it helps the water light fluid minimize the appearance of pores and helps prevent UV damage and signs of aging. So this is more of a daytime product versus this being a nighttime product. So again, it is $17, a $22 value, and you can use the code SAVINGS for an additional 15% off. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Dreamy Superstar Glow Kit. It has the Beauty Light Wand in the highlighter and then the Beauty Light Wand in a high blush. These are so amazing. The full-size products, I feel like I wish there was more product in it, but that's, I think, why I love this even more, because I feel like it's just a better bang for your buck. So there are these tiny little tubes, the applicator, and I have the big size of these. You squeeze the product out and it's gonna come on this little sponge, and you just dab it on your skin. It is going to give you the most gorgeous glow. And Charlotte Tilbury is one of those brands, I feel like it just looks good on everyone's skin, like no matter what skin type you have, what your skin tone is. I feel like Charlotte Tilbury colors are just so gorgeous and give such a healthy, natural looking glow. Like, I feel like these bring life to my face when I use them. This set is a little bit more pricey, as most Charlotte Tilbury products are. It is $32, and you can use the code SAVINGS for 15% off. Okay, Peter Thomas Roth is one of the most superior mask brands in the whole game, in my opinion. I'm honestly not even sure if Peter Thomas Roth makes anything apart from masks, but like the pumpkin enzyme mask is so good. I actually got my sister-in-law, I hope you're not watching this, Kayla, but I actually got my sister-in-law one of his mask sets for Christmas, because it is just like, his masks are superior. They're so good. And so I saw this eye patch party pack. It is 12 Hydra gel eye patches. They have the Firm, the Brighten, and the Depuff patches. This is a $24 value that you are getting for $19, but again, I keep saying it, you can use savings for 15% off. So this is a great way to try out some of the eye masks. I highly encourage things like this if you have a special event coming up. I am always the girl who, when I'm in like a wedding, I will show up with a whole tub of brand new masks, and I spare no expense on eye masks before a wedding. And I'll show up and I'll walk around before, and I'm like, everybody, take your eye masks, let's go. Put your eye mask on. Mom, put your eye mask on. Mother-in-law, put your eye mask on, let's go. And they are so important. You can wear them every single day. Like, I know Kyle Richards, you usually see her in Real Housewives of Beverly Hills always wearing them. They are amazing. Do not skimp out on your eye patches, especially during the daytime, but especially before special events. So again, a great way to try this out. 15% off at Sephora right now. And this is probably one of my top favorites because it is the Sephora Favorites. It's a holiday must-have mini. So this is really good products. You're gonna get minis here. So it says it's an $86 value that you're gonna get for $30. Again, do I need to say it? 15% off, use code SAVINGS, but you have to actually put that code in, and it is kind of deceiving. I wish it was automatically added to cart, but it is not. You have to put it in yourself. So please, please, please remember that. I have actually purchased a lot of stuff before from the Sephora sale and completely forgot to use that code. But in this box, you have a mini Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Dry Clean Shampoo, or Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. This is such a good dry shampoo. One of my top favorites for sure, but it does come with a hefty price tag. So that's a great way to also try out the newer one. This is like one of the newer launches for their dry shampoo. It comes with, I believe this is a full size Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It says party all day. This is Charlotte Tilbury, you guys. Charlotte Tilbury products are very expensive, so you're really getting your bang for your buck out of this whole box just simply by getting this. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is so good. It smells really nice too. You do get a mini size of this, but that's another product that's gonna be a little bit, goes a very long way. And And then the last 3 you're gonna get are also the Roller Lab Benefit Mascara. That is a mini tube, but mascara lasts for so long. The Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask is also included in this. Now, I don't really know much about this brand. I've never tried this one, honestly, but I hear a lot of good things about it. So that's one of the reasons I actually got this kit for myself. I wanted to kind of try it out and see what I thought. And then this is the, oh, I'm gonna butcher this. S-A-I-E. I'm not even gonna say it because I know I'm not gonna say it right. This is the Glowy Super Gel Star Glow. I guess it's like a liquid highlighter. It doesn't say on the box. It just tells you kind of like what it is and the ingredients and stuff. This little box is a great way to really try out some of this new product and just really see what you're vibing with. Now, this video is focused on more or less gift sets, but I did want to quickly share a couple things that I got from the Sephora sale with you guys. If you wanted to just see the gift sets, you can go ahead and click out here. But some of the things that I purchased from the Sephora sale were actually a lot of repurchases. This is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in Yukon. This is a darker color. I actually am wearing this foundation today in Oslo, O-S-L-O. I do not know how to say that, and I don't ever want to like butcher it. But I wanted to get it in a darker color. If you look up Yukon, don't make fun of me. I know this is like my tanner color, and it's not actually that tan, but I am a pale ginger. So this is like, of course, darker for me when I have myself tan on. So I got a technically like repurchase of this, but this is the first time buying this color. But I also got this, and I thought this would be really cool to try. I'm gonna be honest, I don't have the highest hopes for it because of the price. In my experience, and this is just me, what you pay for with retinol is what you get. Anytime I have bought a product that was really affordable that claimed to have retinol in it, it just didn't work as good. I think usually because of the amount of like retinol concentration in it. So usually the more affordable the retinol product, it doesn't work as well. That is the unfortunate thing about retinol, but again, I'm gonna go back to, it is so amazing on your skin. It makes your skin look so good. It can help prevent fine lines and wrinkles and get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. It's cheaper than Botox. It's not gonna like, you know, it's not gonna like prevent your head from moving, but retinol is like, I think every girl should have that in her skincare. I wish I would have started using retinol early. I only started last year. But this is the Peace Out Retinol Eye Stick. So it has a little bit, you know what, don't buy this. Yeah, literally never used it. Never mind. I bought more of the Lip Cheat lip liners in Charlotte Tilbury. I call this one Old Faithful. The color Pillow Talk, I wear it with every single lip color except for today. It looks so good with every single lip product. Like I go through these pencils lightning speed fast because they go with everything. So I did get 2 more of these because I run out of them. And actually today I am wearing this. So this is the Makeup by Moriah. It's like a little mini lipstick set. Color is gorgeous. It actually reminds me a lot of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk with a little bit more of an orange undertone. But this has a lip liner and a lipstick in it. I use this and then put a clear gloss over. So the color you're seeing is accurate, but it does have a little bit more of a shine than this actually has to it, just because I prefer a really glossy lip. So I like this. It's a nice way to kind of try this out. The color I got is, oh, it's Sam, my husband's name. I didn't know that. So I like that. That's cute. And then lastly, these 2, I don't know if it's actually Makeup by Moriah because the product just says by Moriah, but the website is Makeup by Moriah. He just sells through Sephora. So this is the Soft Glow highlighter in the color Pearl. It is absolutely stunning on. I'm wearing it today. I went a little bit too hard with my highlighter because I was just like, I'm always that person who I like always get so excited that I forget. You usually should be a little bit more like careful in the beginning, and I'm like, yes! And then I put it on and I was like, oh, you're a little bit shiny. So it is gorgeous, but a little bit goes a long way. So I purchased this along with the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Perfector Radiant Skin Powder in the color Light. This is light, but it did definitely make my skin a little bit darker than, which is wild because I am pasty right now, but it did make my skin a little bit darker than my foundation originally had. So it is not translucent. This does have color to it, as you can obviously see. But so far, I mean, I have no complaints about it. It seems to be a really nice product, and anything that I've purchased by Moriah so far, I've been very, very impressed with. Okay, so those are the really, really nice gift sets that I definitely recommend for the holiday season. Again, I said it like 100 times. You can split them up and give them to multiple people, coworkers, gift exchange, a girlfriend, like yourself if you want to try a product without buying the full thing first. Gift sets are so good. Do not sleep on them. I love a good gift set, whether to gift or receive myself. So I hope you guys liked it. Everything I did mention is linked in the description bar below for y'all to shop. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.